you have ID?
Oh, I only hand over ID unless I've committed a crime, sir.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 law enforcement officers. Lights and sirens for a man with a camera.
What are you doing here?
Working on a story of corruption, that involves the police, your boss, the police commissioner, Patricka Ryderja. Does everybody get special treatment like this?
This is a figure of the police department.
Do you mind if I get your name and badge number, sir? Just so I know who came here?
Yeah, right here.
Right here? H-E-R? There's nothing in that pocket.
Okay, it looked like it.
How do you see something in an empty pocket?
Watch the videos a lot.
Oh yeah, prove anything.
I am going to need ID from you though.
I didn't break any laws.
You were possibly trespassing.
Hey, what's up guys? Long Island Audit here. Back again with another video. As most of you know, I have been dealing with some serious tyranny and corruption in Nassau County, New York. At the helm of this corruption is Police Commissioner Patricka Ryderja. But make no mistake, the corruption doesn't end there. District Attorney Ann Donnelly's office is also involved. The DA's office is maliciously prosecuting me for investigating corruption in the Nassau County government. Donnelly's office even went so far as to petition the court for 8 stay-away protective orders against me in an attempt to shut down my investigation and to violate my constitutional rights. These orders were signed by pro-police Judge Norman Salmon. The Nassau County government is clearly hiding something from we the people. I wanted to ask the police commissioner, Patricka Ryderja, some questions regarding the numerous credible allegations of corruption. I thought speaking to Commissioner Ryderja would be easy since he is a public servant who gets paid close to $300,000 a year in taxpayer money. I was wrong. I made multiple attempts to speak with Commissioner Ryderja to no avail. So I was thinking, how can I speak with him about these serious allegations if he is constantly hiding behind restricted areas in We the People's building? Then it hit me. I could just go to his house, which is public record, knock on his door and ask him. So that's what I did. Let's get into it. Hi, Mrs. Ryderja?
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Sean. I'm an independent journalist. I was wondering if you had any comment on the allegations that your husband, the commissioner of the police department, Patricka Ryderja, is having an affair with Laura. He's having an affair with Laura Curran. He's having an affair with Laura Curran, the former Nassau County executive.
Can you please get off the property?
Sure, ma'am. I just wanted to let you know that your husband's under investigation. Trying to get to the bottom of it. Trying to investigate. Let's get off the property. Just wondering if she had any comment. We're just trying to get to the bottom of it. I have an inside source that is telling me that there's much more than an affair going on here with the Nassau County Police Commissioner. He is allegedly racist, using racial slurs. I have an inside source in the police department that is feeding me all this information, and we're just trying to get to the bottom of it. How the Nassau County Police Commissioner is using asset forfeiture to steal people's property and use it for his own benefit. There's a lot of corruption allegations here, ladies and gentlemen, that we're trying to get to the bottom of here. And we're going to get to the bottom of it. Hey, how are you, sir?
What's going on today?
Can I get your name and badge number?
What are you doing here?
Just taking a walk around the block here on the publicly accessible area, sir. May I get your name and badge number?
Officer Carey, badge number 2057.
You came in, you almost hit me, sir.
I didn't.
You're very close.
Not even close.
Why are you speeding? I'm not a danger to anybody.
What are you doing here?
I was just asking some questions of the Mrs. Ryderja here.
Why?
Because I'm working on a story. I'm a journalist, sir. That's what journalists do.
Okay, did she ask you to leave?
And I left. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
She did. Okay. And I left. That's why I'm here on the public part.
You are?
Yeah, exactly.
Can I do anything further for you?
No, officer. That's fine. I mean, does everybody get special treatment like this?
This is a figure of the police department.
A figure? She's a figure of the police department?
You made her worried.
She didn't seem worried. She
Doesn't matter.
She was taking pictures of me and...
Now.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I'm going to stay here.
But I'm going to stay does here. Everybody get preferential treatment like this, sir?
Absolutely. If somebody calls 911 and they're in fear...
So somebody called 911?
Somebody did call 911.
Okay.
Yep.
So why would call 911 over a journalist? I told her my name is Sean. I'm a journalist.
It doesn't matter. If she felt that we needed to be here, then we're going to show up.
Oh, that's fine. But there's nothing illegal taking place here, sir. No one's in any...
There's not. But I'm going to hang out.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm sure you can hang out all you want. It's public street. You can do whatever you'd like, sir. But
Is there a reason that you're here?
Yeah, I just told you. I'm an independent journalist. My name is Sean.
In regards to what?
I'm working on a story of corruption that involves your boss, the police commissioner, Patricka Ryderja.
Okay.
Do you have any comment on the allegations that he is having an affair with the former Nassau County executive, Laura Curran?
No comment.
Or that he's targeting people that are on disability, workers' comp?
Nothing.
What about the allegations that he is racially motivated in hiring?
Zero opinions of anything while I'm in this uniform.
That he's racially.
I'm not even going to speak
have you heard
to
him? Have you heard him use racial slurs before, officer?
So here's the deal.
I'm asking questions.
I'm not going to speak to you further.
That's fine.
I'm going to hang out.
There's no reason for you to speak to me.
Foot traffic. And
oh, sure. I'll walk back and forth. Yeah, no problem, sir.
Okay.
No problem.
All right.
Yeah, sure, no problem. You can let her know that I'm not a danger to her in any way, if she's worried about that. You know who I am, and there's no need to worry here.
Do you have ID?
Oh, I only hand over ID unless I've committed a crime, sir.
Okay.
Wow. So, this law enforcement officer here arrived really fast. Car 4211. Lights and sirens. Look at that. Lights and sirens. Look at all these officers arriving here for a man with a camera, asking questions. One, two, three, four. Hey, how you guys doing? Oh, nothing. I'm a journalist. I was working on a story. I was trying to ask some questions of Mrs. Ryder here regarding some corruption that's happening with the commissioner. If she had any comment on the allegations that he was having an affair with the former Nassau County executive, or he uses racially motivated thinking in order to hire people for the department. Do you have any comment on those allegations?
Anything else?
Oh, that's all. I just asked her questions. That's why it's recorded.
Okay.
And then she told me that there's no soliciting. I told her I wasn't soliciting. She said to get off her property, and that's why I'm on the public easement here.
Okay.
Didn't want to break any laws. Do you mind if I get your name and badge number, sir? Just so I know who came here.
Yeah, right here.
Right here. H-E-R.
Nordland 3330.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Name and badge number, sir?
Waltman 2749.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. So is it customary for you guys to come in lights and sirens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars for a man with a camera? I'm just a journalist, peaceful journalist, asking questions of my government. That's all. Hi, ma'am. How are you? You mind if I get your name and badge number?
I do First Amendment order, guy, yeah?
Officer Campion 4643.
Thank you, ma'am.
Schroeder, 232.
Thank you, Officer Schroeder. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
First Amendment order, yeah?
I don't want to block anybody's driveway.
Watch your videos a lot.
Oh, yeah. I'm just asking questions. I've heard there's a lot of corruption. I have an inside source inside the Nassau County Police Department who has been feeding me information anonymously regarding your police commissioner, Patricka Ryderja. So I'm here to ask questions and exercise my First Amendment right, sir. I'm working on a story here, that's all. Nothing nefarious going on. Yeah, we have allegations that, as you can see, there's no people of color that arrived here, that he's hired, that out of 2,300, I believe, applicants of color, he's only hired 30 of them in the last 6 years. And that he uses the N-word regarding to some employees. A lot of different corruption and allegations that's going on here. So, just wanted to see if his wife or anyone else had any comment. That's all. Hey, how are you, sir?
How are you?
Doing well. I'm not a danger to anybody. I don't have any weapons. I'm just a journalist asking questions like any other journalist would do of his government. That's all. Nothing nefarious going on here.
mind if I pat you down real quick?
I don't consent, but...
Okay. It just looks like you have something in this pocket. I just wanna
Oh, I'm sure. There's nothing in that pocket.
Okay. It looked like it. Just check.
Okay. This is the pocket with something in it, by the way. All right. This one's empty. How do you see something in an empty pocket? Interesting. Is the person that lives in this house like royalty or something that I'm missing, or like the president of the United States? I don't get why there's so many law enforcement officers here for a man with a camera just asking questions of his government. That's all. I'm not trying to do anything, just asking questions. Apparently your commissioner's really corrupt guy, and I'm gonna expose him. Apparently he's trying to put me in jail. This is what I'm hearing from inside your department. So I'm just trying to ask questions, that's all. Unmarked vehicles here. JNP 3293, FFG 5335.
All right, so here's the deal.
I just want to make out, I don't want to block anybody's driveway.
No worries.
Sure.
So, Commissioner's wife said she asked you to leave. She shut the door.
And I left.
Okay. We still need, do you have on video you leaving the house?
Well, she has a Ring camera, sir.
She does. It didn't capture you walking away or staying. I just looked at it.
How does it
I
not
just
capture
checked it.
that?
I don't know. Do you have video footage?
Did she tell you that I left?
She didn't see. So I'm
She
looking.
didn't see?
I'm looking to confirm
Well, I don't have
whether
to.
you left.
I'm going to exercise my right to remain
Okay,
silent.
that's
I don't
fine.
have to prove
I am
anything.
going to need ID from you, though.
I didn't break any laws.
You were possibly trespassing.
Possibly trespassing.
And we're looking.
But you know who I am.
I don't know who you are. I have no idea who you are.
Okay.
So I need ID so
I
I
don't-
can confirm.
I don't have any.
There's
You've
no
arrested me.
identification.
You've arrested me a couple weeks ago.
I did not arrest you.
I'm not you, but your department.
Okay, that's
I'm not
fine.
breaking any laws.
That's fine.
Will you arrest me if I don't identify myself?
I'm not going to arrest you if
Okay,
you don't
great.
identify
Oh
yourself.
wait, so I don't want to. I want to remain silent. I want to exercise my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. She didn't answer my question. You got here really quick.
I did
I'm
get
on my
here very
way. I'm on my way. I don't have anything else. I'm not standing outside somebody's house. I was just asking her a question based on the allegations of
Do you have
corruption.
identification on you?
Sir, I don't, and I don't give it up unless I've broken the law, sir. I haven't broken any laws. I'm here exercising in a constitution-protected activity. I'm just asking questions of my government, that's all. There's some serious allegations against your police commissioner. Serious allegations that I'm getting from a reliable source inside of your department. They're going to come forward. It's a whistleblower, sir, and I'm just asking questions.
Who are you asking questions to? There's nobody here except for us.
Well, I was asking questions to... I was hoping Patricka Ryderja was here so I can ask him some questions, but his wife answered the door. So I asked her a question. She said no soliciting. She said, leave the property, and I came onto the sidewalk, which is where the officer here found me when he arrived, seconds later.
Okay, so if no one's going to speak to you, then...
I just said I'm on my way. I have nothing. I have nothing else here. No one's going to
it's
speak
not
to
here,
me.
So that's what I'm asking.
Oh yeah. Do you mind if I get your name and badge number, sir?
Sergeant Soto 211.
Sergeant Soto. Yeah, no, I'm not. I know I can stand out here, but that's not my goal. I wanted to speak with the commissioner, and his wife answered the door, and I just asked her a question. That was all.
Okay.
And I left.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
So I'm going to be going.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, sir. Take care. Stay safe out there, all right? Take care. Bye. Have a great day. I hope you guys act this way with every member of the public and protect and serve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 law enforcement officers for a man with a camera. How do you like that? I'm just asking questions of my government. I was trying to speak to Patricka Ryderja, the commissioner. That's all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to start off by saying I blurred out the commissioner's wife's face because she was not the person I was there to speak to. Also, she is not, to my knowledge, a public servant. Unfortunately, I was unable to speak to Commissioner Ryder regarding the multiple allegations of corruption that have been levied against him by inside sources at the Nassau County Police Department. These allegations include, but are not limited to, beating a man while handcuffed and being arrested for it in 1990, misappropriating asset forfeiture funds for his own personal gain, engaging in an inappropriate relationship with Laura Curran, the former Nassau County executive, his direct boss, using racial slurs